Good morning, traders. John Caruso coming to you here with your currency report. First, we're going to take a look back on the week. We have seen a very light week as far as data is concerned. We do have coming out this morning PPI, retail sales, and consumer confidence. So we've got a pretty big data dump here coming out today. We have noticed over the past couple of weeks that global inflation and manufacturing data has been running hot around the globe. You can look at the data coming out of China, Germany, the UK, as well as the US. We are starting to see an uptick in growth as well as an uptick in inflation. So I think that's something to really take note of. Looking at the US dollar, sitting around roughly 101.20. We did take a peek at support down along 101.70 here, or I'm sorry, 170 this morning. We do believe we are oversold within a bullish trend. So that's something to really take note of. We are going to keep a bullish bias on the U.S. dollar until we see more of a topping pattern as far as the technicals are concerned, or we see a shift in the fundamental picture for the United States as well. So keep that in mind. Still holding a bullish bias on the U.S. dollar. Taking a look at the euro inversely to the U.S. dollar, we do appear to be overbought within a bearish trend in the euro currency, so that's something to kind of take note of. We did take a peek at that key resistance area of 107 yesterday, so that's something to really take a hard look at. Still hold the bearish bias to the euro versus the U.S. dollar at the present moment. I'm also going to hit briefly on the British pound. We have seen an exciting and volatile last couple of trading sessions here in the British pound. We did take a look at 123.31 yesterday early on, and we did quickly retreat from that level. So we are going to probably approach some support once again down along 121. So that's a very key area, I believe, for the British pound. That's going to kind of indicate which direction we head. If we can hold 121, I think that's going to certainly dictate the future trading. So keep an eye on that. Also, as far as the fundamentals are concerned in the British pound, I do believe Great Britain is growing. I believe last year it grew at a 2.2% clip year over year, which is actually the best GDP figure that we've seen out of all the developed countries, including the United States. So looking forward, I don't think it's going to take much to reignite some of the upside bias in the British pound if you see the BOE having to pivot towards a more hawkish or even a less dovish stance on their monetary policy over there. So there's more remains to be seen with the British pound moving forward. So that's what we have for you here today. Feel free to reach out to me at the trade desk if you'd like to hit on some of the other foreign currencies out there. The Canadian, the Aussie, we've seen some big moves there recently. Once again, I'm John Caruso. Feel free to reach out to me anytime. Take care.